You open it.
Texnik jihatdan
See, there's a
ko'rsatib
little
beryapti.
paper inside. You take out the paper, these two things, you can throw them in here, and then you can show to the public what you have drawn, which for me is FIFA, of course. I'm just the moderator. Mr. Carney, do you want to start?
Shun
Don't
bo'yicha
forget, and pick the right ball, please.
boshlayapmiz.
Already chosen.
Birinchisi,
Okay, let's see.
birinchi man boshlayapti.
Which team
Uchta jamoa
will be drawn
guruhlari aniq bo'lib
by
ulgurgan.
Mr. Mark
ABC.
Carney.
ABD, ha? ABD.
Kanada.
Kanada, ana.
Congratulations, Canada.
Qarang, Qoyil birinchi olishini o'z mamlakatini
World Cup Group B1 for Canada, by the way. We can continue. Por favor, podemos seguir, Presidenta. Vamos a ver.
Canada B1.
Más importante del mundo.
Kanada B guruhida birinchi raqamli jamoaga aylandi. Va Meksika.
México. Felicidades. México, grupo A1, Presidenta. Grupo A1 por México.
Meksika A guruhidan joy oladi.
Don't forget to make...
Trampga katta bosim tushdi.
I think I know what this is going to be now.
Endi albatta bu oldindan
Are you sure this is the
ma'lum bo'lgan edi.
Let's change it if you want. Does he know something that I don't know? Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a shot. This is shocking. United States of America.
Endi bu yerda hozir hammaning maqsadi go'yoki bu
Group D1.
syurprizdek namoyish etilishi ekan aslida.
Like this.